In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change the account region of your old TikTok account. It's very, very simple. So to do that, hop on your TikTok profile like this. You tap on the hamburger menu there. And then on here, we tap on the settings and privacy. Good. So on this section, we move to our account here by tapping on the account. And then you can see account information. Just tap on that there. And you can see account region. You can see the location here. So the location you see here is the location you created your account from. So if you've changed your location, like maybe you've moved to the US or the UK, you can switch it by just tapping on this like this. So now you select the location you've changed your location to, you get it. So let's say, let me select any country like Curacao. You can see there, just like I was saying, you should be in Curacao for like at least 2 months. That your IP address should change from there, and they'll notice it on the app. And then if you are trying to change it, you just change it. So when you change your location, it's kind of, you don't need to create a new account, something like that. It's very, very simple. You just need to change your account region and you're good to go. So that's it on how you change your old account region to a new country if you move from your old country. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create, a new TikTok account and then, use a different country with a VPN and the rest. I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So if you're new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.